What's up, guys? Going to be installing this water softener from A.o Smith from Lowe's. It's the XXL 45,000 grain capacity, 5-year warranty. So I'm going to get this thing out the box and see what's inside. That's how it comes straight out the box. It's got 1-inch connections. So this is already done for you for the salt. So it looks like all you gotta do is connect your connections and the drain. Yeah, the drain goes right here. So 1-inch male adapter connections. The drain, we're gonna have to see the fitting in there. So there's some stuff in here. This is a hose. It's a soft hose. Squishy. Alright, looks like we got more connections. I'll open this up and see what's in here. Cool, so this is everything it comes with. The manual, some other stuff. It comes with this, so you can see the hardness of your water, so you can calibrate the system. This is a power cord, and then 2 drain connections. So the first connection you'll put here in the back for the overflow, and it just threads into there. And you can run this hose to the outside or to a drain, but just make sure you got air gaps when you connect it to the drain. This one you're gonna want to Teflon it into there, and that'll be our drain connection for the softener. So I'm gonna get that Tefloned and show you after that. Alright, got that all Tefloned up. It's gonna add some pipe dope and we'll start getting it threaded in. Just be gentle, don't cross thread it or anything. Sorry for my nasty nails, but being a plumber, that's why you don't bite your nails. And then just tighten this up. Don't, get it snug, but just don't over tighten this because this is all plastic. So you don't want to like crack anything. Just, I'd say once it gets snug, see, keep going. Alright, it starts to get a little snug, and just get it tightened in there. As long as you got some Teflon, some pipe dope. So I guess the power just plugs in here, and then that'll get fired up. I'm gonna get this out the sun so that doesn't get damaged. Alright, so now I gotta make my waterline connections. Just gonna go back with some flex lines here and get those up in here. And then when you connect the drain, you don't want to have an air gap, so I'm gonna have to tie the hose to right here. So if this ever backs up, it has no chance of hitting that hose and creating a cross connection, which is really important for that because you could contaminate your drinking water with sewer water. Alright, getting ready to put this thing in here, so I'm just going to slip the drain line over the fitting here. And come with any like close clamps or anything, but I don't think this will fly off. It's pretty tight on there. It's got a barb fitting. I think that'll be good. Yeah, it's not gonna come off. So I'm gonna run that to the drain, put the air gap in there, very important, and then run the overflow somewhere to the air gap also. Got new lines in there. It's ready to go. This unit's a little more wider, so but if it's perfect in the closet still. This thing is heavy. Alright guys, we finished the install here. The A.o Smith. Pretty nice. It's a really nice unit. It's real simple to put in. Everything's kind of already done for you. The settings, it's literally like 2 buttons. You click on here. It's regenerating right now. With the line set up. So we're going to go through a cycle and should be good to go. Real nice unit, honestly. I'll get it. There it is, all fully installed. So real nice looking setup, nice and sleek.